Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. So, I was thinking about financial mindset, and you know, life and our positioning in life right now, where you are, it's not a mistake. It is a combination of all your life experiences, including the way you think up to this time. It is a summation, right? So when you look at your finances and where you are, how you're managing them, growing them, and all that stuff, you have to if you're not happy with where you are, it goes back to the mindset. What kind of things have you put in place? Do you have money blocks? How do you consider money? Is money the root of all evil? If you think like that, you're going to repel money. If you think money is corrupt, money makes people corrupt, then you're rejecting it. If you are rejecting those who already have money, thinking, oh, they may have got it on in crooked ways, guess what? That you are rejecting money, because no one wants to be crooked. No one wants to be all, in lack of integrity per se. But if you take that position, so that in order to protect yourself, you will start to reject money. You will start to reject ways and ideas of making money. Even when an opportunity arises, you will be skeptical. You'll try to push it away. Why? Because you're trying not to be like all those people you have rejected. So, meaning you have to honestly know in your heart that the works of our hands are blessed. As we serve with diligence and integrity, we will be rewarded, and most likely it will be financial, because we are in the financial system. So if you know you're working with integrity, you have to always remind yourself that there are people out there working with integrity and they've made it big, and you want to be among those, and you have to appreciate them when you see them. You're like, oh, God bless you, let God increase you, because I want to be increased too. But if you take the mindset of being skeptical of others, that rejection tone applies on you too. So you start to reject money ideas. You start to reject even the smallest things of budgeting, sticking to the budget, saving, the foundational principles of money. You start to reject all those things. But it shouldn't be so, because money is an energy. It's an exchange of value. As you transfer that energy, it goes with a tone. If that energy is scarce, lack, that will multiply back to you. These are universal laws. We don't have to make them up. They are what they are. But if you change that tone and come from a place of abundance, it makes something different. It's like someone giving you from the overflow. They are joyful giving you, and you as the receiver, you're joyful too, and the multiplication increases with joy. But if you come from a place of lack and you give from lack, you're complaining while you're paying your bills, yet you use the services, no, it has to be the energy exchange has to have a tone of appreciativeness and abundance. If you use the services, well, pay for the services with joy. If you think you won't afford the services, then don't use them, but our mindset has to be the right mindset, a balancing mindset, a mindset that adheres to the principles of growing money. For example, compounding interest, the idea of saving and allow the money to multiply. Anyway, most of these principles are in the book that I'll be launching on November 8th. Live Like a King Without Going Broke. It's a simple financial guide to your victory. And I'll leave the link under this video if you would like to attend the book launch. It will be November 8th, Thursday, from 7 to 9 at Katikati near Lugogo Bypass. Yeah, and I would like to see you there. And yes, and we have t-shirts too. You know, all the details will be in the below the video. I love you guys, and keep your mindset right, because money is an energy and just an exchange of value. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.